Today I decided I want to make a new lid for this tank because this little flap door is too small. You can't even put that in there. I got a piece, an extra piece of this plastic that I had laying around, and it's big enough to work, so I'm going to use this to make the lid. I'm just going to use a Sharpie to mark it, measuring tape to measure it out, and this jigsaw to cut it. You want to measure the inner lip dimensions. Mine is 15 3/8, 7 5/8. So now I'm going to measure and mark a piece that size. Now I got my piece I need to cut marked out, my lines. Now I'm going to cut it. I got my piece cut, and now I'm going to make a cut for this out, so I'm just gonna estimate it. I'll probably make a couple marks, a mark here and a mark here to cut out for my filter, and I'm gonna cut out a little slot for my ear line. It's now installed, but I want to make an access door now, so I'm gonna cut out a door right here and make a door now. I cut my door 3.5 inches. So now I'm gonna add a couple hinges to it. I'll put one hinge over here and one hinge over here, so it can open like that. Alright, to finish the lid, I glued on 2 hinges, stick on handle with double-sided tape. The only things I had to cut out was a cutout for my ear line and a cutout for my hang-on back. I have these type lids on pretty much all my tanks. My 120, 220, turtle, 75 gallon, and my breeder tank all have the same lids.